Hi, I'm Kevin Hunter, President of Calty Design Research. Calty is the North American design studio for Toyota, and we've been designing cars here in America for almost 40 years. The car you see behind me is the all-new 2013 Toyota Avalon, and this was designed in both our design studios in Newport Beach, California and Ann Arbor, Michigan. It was also engineered and manufactured in America. It's a big, bold departure from the current Avalon. It represents a bold, new, aggressive, sporty styling statement for us, and I'm happy to explain some features about the car. When we designed the new Avalon, we knew we had to make a big step forward in the level of aggressive styling and boldness. And two of the key terms that we used that we wanted to represent the new design taste were elegant and athletic. And I think the front end is a really great example of this. And one feature you'll notice is the large lower intake, and this is a big departure in traditional sedan thinking. And our aim is still to create a very premium look, but also a very sporty and dynamic appearance as well. One really cool feature you'll notice are the headlights. Most typical cars use a round projector light. You can see here we call this the double square projector, and it's a new way to split the projector beam, and it creates a new look, and it has some good attitude, and also creates a new look that we refer to as the Toyota look, and that's called the keen look, and it represents a confident and optimistic appearance. So in keeping with the design theme of elegant athletic, we really aim to create a very sculptural body, and one thing we're really proud of is the stance that this car has. And it has very muscular, sculpted body forms. And the other thing that's really cool is it has this really long, stretched, elegant cabin, and it pulls all the way back to the deck, has a very fast pillar angle, and the trunk is very short. So this sets up a new proportion for sedans. It's a very non-traditional approach. But we think it's important that Avalon went in this direction because it's a more exciting and dynamic approach, and we think it's going to attract new buyers and younger buyers into the mix. Well, my favorite view of the new 2013 Avalon is the rear three-quarter view. And I really love the way the cabin tapers to the rear, and it ends with these high mount taillights that are sleek, and they're LED, so they have a very high-tech image. There's a very sporty rear deck spoiler here, and this also helps aerodynamics and downforce to the rear. As we move around to this corner, there's a very crispy edge that you see, and it has a very fast, sleek angle that really connects well with the cabin and looks very sporty and yet elegant. And I really love the amount of offset that we have on this shoulder treatment. It sweeps down, has a very crisp edge, and then it sweeps down again into the strong, muscular rear fender, and it creates very good stance, and it looks sporty, it looks active, and it looks agile. Lastly, I'd like to show you the interior of the new Avalon. As with the exterior, our key theme was elegant athletic. In this case, what we wanted to show is a very strong driver-connected feel, but also keep it open and spacious. So you'll notice there's a bit of a layering effect from the padded IP to the center stack area that has a very thin tech, high-tech image. We also aim to create high craftsmanship. And you'll notice that every detail, everywhere you look, there's beautiful stitching, there's beautiful wood trim, we have smoked, bright, high gloss chrome treatment. One really cool tech feature are the capacitive touch switches that we integrated into the center stack. And they're very simple, easy to use. And one feature I really love is this slide capacitive fan switch, where just moving your finger raises and lowers the fan speed. There's also a three-tone color scheme, and this really represents a new premium image for Avalon and takes it into a whole new class of vehicle. Well, I think you'll agree the new 2013 Toyota Avalon is a bold and sexy design statement. As with any new design that we create, it all starts with a sketch. And in this case, the sketch that started Avalon was created by a young 20-something designer in our Ann Arbor, Michigan design studio. And once we saw that sketch, we knew that it really appealed to all the things that we wanted Avalon to be. And we're all really proud of the fact that the final result that you see here looks a lot like the sketch in the rendering that was created. And this is something that we had a lot of passion for from all the teams, from design, engineering, and manufacturing, working together to achieve this wonderful new car.